So hello, welcome back to, or welcome just to a little bit of an experiment I'm going to try to do for my school project. And right now, you see right here in this pot, you see right here, is a sodium chloride solution. Taken from this thing right here, you see right here, with only 0.9 sodium chloride, and the rest is aqua or H2O. And so right now, I'd like to crystallize this. So right now we all understand one thing, and that is sodium chloride in its form, in its true form, is supposed to be some sort of a crystalline. But right now, because the sodium chloride you see right here is currently in a form of solution with water with only 0.9% of sodium chloride in every cubic volume of water, right here you see that as I try to heat this up, and let us predict. So right now what you see right here is around 100 milliliters of sodium chloride. As we all know, 1 liter of water corresponds to 1 liter of water corresponds to 1000 milliliter equals to 1 decimeter cube. So right now we would like to use that through our knowledge. So right now, if there is 1000 milliliters of water, 1 liter of water corresponds to around, let's say some degrees. So we should have some sort of salt. Then we're going to heat this up, and we're going to wait for some time until all the aqua solution is gone. You see that this has been around 30 till 1 minute of boiling, and you can see that the fire is on and the solution is currently being boiled. So right now you see that there are bubbles forming out. This hasn't been 100 degrees Celsius, and once we reach 100 degrees Celsius we will see some magic occurring. Now right now you will, and if you could smell the smoke, you will actually smell the smell of sodium chloride. And if you want to know how it smells, just take a table salt and smell it onto your nose. You will see something interesting going on. Alright, so we're going to wait for a bit. This will take some time. So I will see you once we have reached that point where the water solution isn't that much. So we've been waiting for a couple of minutes right now, and you can, most of the waters here are boiling. So you can see that, if you see closely, right in the side, right there. Sorry. You can see that there are some sort of flakes, or or that flaking thing. That whiter part, that grayish part that you see right here. And if you're to see at the side, not at the center. Do not see the boiling water. That's not interesting. See the sides. You can see that there is a sort of a white flake, and this is the salt. This is the effect of boiling sodium chloride that you see right here. You see that there are sort of a white line going through the edge of this pan, and that is the crystal. And right now we're going to wait till all the water has been boiled, and we're going to scrub this spot off, and we're going to see how the crystal forms at the end. Alright? You can see that as the layers of water is going missing, as it is going away, you can see, if you see closely, the sort of little crystals at the bottom. We have to say that I have done something great, and it is called as making salt out of a salt solution. After this, I'm going to cook with a sort of salt, but I guess I should not, because this is not food tested, but this is the same salt. Let me try for a moment. Let me try to see it. So let us have a closer look upon how this salt turns out. We're going to make that into an. So right now, we're going to scrub it off using spoon or any utensils that you want. It's not recommended that you use this. It's metal, so it will conduct heat, but let us just use it. we are going to extract the set salt from this spray here. It's going to sound bad, but that's how it is. So right now it's dry inside. And therefore I simply have no way to actually extract it because I don't have a test tube. Well, that's how it is right now. So unfortunately I simply cannot take a measurement of what is the mass of the salt that has been created, but as you can see that there are salt inside. But therefore this is a successful experiment and shows that if we were to heat a solution of water and salt, we can create a sort of a crystalline solution, a crystal like this one. We have made salt out of a salt solution. That's it for today. I'd like to say thank you and until we meet again. Until